Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok favorite sounds not showing. It's really simple and easy. There are several methods to fix it. First of all, open your TikTok application. Here is our video. If you click on this song option, it will show us this type of window. If you click on this add to favorites, it starts showing that added to favorites. Now if you go back, open your profile, then you will be on this video section. You have to open this tab here, and here you will get this sound option. As you can see, there are two favorite sounds. But if you are facing the issue, how you can fix it? First of all, you have to close your all background apps. I will close this one, TikTok, and then just tap and hold on TikTok and tap on this app info. Here, just simply uninstall this application. If you click on uninstall, it will be uninstalled and refresh your all data. Now, after uninstalling, open the Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok and install the latest version from here. After installing, open it again, and then you can try this procedure again. Click on the sound icon and tap on this add to favorites, and then go to your profile, tap on this favorites and go to sounds and check your issue is solved or not. But if you are still facing this problem, then you can contact TikTok team directly. Tap on your profile picture, tap on these three bars and go for settings and privacy. Scroll down, tap on this report a problem, scroll down and tap on this chat with us. Now here you can type like this: I am facing issue with favorite sounds feature. I cannot see my favorite sound. I have added to my favorite list. Help me to fix this issue, and simply send it. And your issue will be fixed in just next couple of hours. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.